2022 Toyota Highlander. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.